This is the cup holder in a Chrysler Crossfire, and as you can see, there are some rubber bands on here to help with the drink from spilling or tipping over. Not ideal or very safe, as an elbow can easily hit this. So interestingly, I realized these hooks are never used. In fact, these are umbrella hooks. Really not sure why these are even here. I guess this was a big deal in Germany in those days, which is where this car was made. Anyway, I have this big cup holder I use to put on the side of the seat, and as you can see, it fits nicely in this pocket. But it's still a bit flimsy and not safe enough to put drinks in here. However, I'm going to remove the umbrella hooks and neatly secure this right now. First, if you like this video, please hit the like button and tap the subscribe button for more cool videos like this. Then, get ready to do this quick cool mod. These are the only tools you'll need: a power tool with a Phillips head, a Torx T25 bit, a 1/8 inch drill bit, a colored marker or pen, and the actual supplies, that being a couple of corner braces with screws, and of course, the cup hold. I'll put all these tools and parts in the description below for easy reference. This project will take less than 10 minutes to do. Let's start. Grab a power drill, remove these screws with a Torx T25. Pull off the hook. Now do the other one. So here's how this hook clip looks. I'm just amazed they put this in here. Of all the cool features to put in a sports car, I got an idea. Let's put some umbrella hooks in. Wow. Actually, please mention in the comments why you think these are even included in a sports car like this. Myself and others would like to know. Or heck, mention if you have any other uses for these hooks. Okay, back to this project. Nice thing about these screws is I can reuse them. Next, put the cup holder back in the pouch and line it up in the center between those umbrella hook holes. Now, there's 3 ways you can install this brace, and it's really a matter of preference if you're looking for style or whatever. So here's one way, right? That means the bracket would be screwed into here first, and then you would put the screw in on here. That's one way. The other way is this way. Now this, for me, is too long, this bracket. But if it was shorter, then it would be flush against here. And then what I would probably do first is screw into here first, and then screw into here. And the last way to do it is you would screw this in first to here, and then this would be screwed in from the top. Okay? Actually, a 4th way is if you turn the corner brace this way, then install it. So here's another look. So many ways to choose from. It's up to you how you want to position it. Now I'll show you how to actually install it. Use the originally provided screw. Put the screw through the hole. Position the corner brace the way you want it. Screw it in with a Torx T25 bit into the already provided hole and use the same screw. I won't tighten the corner braces yet. Test fitted. Now I'll make these screws tighter. Test fitted. Again. Slides perfectly in. So the cup holder fits well. Great. Okay. Here's how it looks so far. Can't even see it on the left side, but I'm not done yet. Need to put some screws in the side right there. So I'm going to mark it with a pencil or a pen. Or you could just put a drill or screw right through. Use a 1/8 inch drill. See? Now screw it in. I'm using black screws and braces to match the cup holder, so it provides a nicer look than the gray ones.
Excellent.
Nice and tight.
Now do the other side. Push back. Line it up. Look at that. Nice and sturdy. I can still put my head in here if I want to. Okay, now, instead of putting my water bottle in here, which I could probably still do, now I can put it in here.
This looks great and blends in with the car nicely. Mercedes should have done it this way or made a better cup holder. By the way, you can always remove this and put the stock hooks back on. And remember to mention if you have any good ideas to do with those hooks in the comments. Oh, and for those wondering, this cup holder does not affect opening fully the armrest, as you can see. I think I'll make some dividers for this storage bin so it's more organized. I'll put that video in the description to watch. Anyway, so please mention your thoughts about this quick and easy do-it-yourself cup holder upgrade in the comments. Until next time, please like and subscribe, enjoy the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching. Wow, this looks great. No more spilled drinks for me. Yeah.